Every year we try to come up with something different. I think our people demand us to have something different. They get bored. We have the biggest variety of moulds in the whole of South Africa anyway, but still people want something different every year. My husband makes all the chocolate. He's the chocolatier, and it took him about 5 days to make the car after work because he can't do it during work and he's too busy, and also the eggs. He did everything after work. It's a lot of handcraft. It takes a long time, about 5 days. The eggs, these 3 eggs, they're 13 kilos of chocolate, and the racing car is 25 kilos. Chocolate comes from Ghana. We get all the raw ingredients from Ghana, and then we process all our own chocolate. It starts off at 2 sides of a mold, and they put it together, and then he creates all the outside and all the decorations. They're hollow. They were solid, you wouldn't be able to lift them or eat them. Companies will buy stuff like that, or the very rich that want to give something very big to their children.